Alright guys, mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Meron tayong isang reaction video dito kay Rob Trip, Senator Robin Padilla at si Attorney Kapunan. Husband and wife are obligated to mutually respect each other. Ipinaliwanag ni Attorney Katipunan sa kanyang pandinig sa Senate Committee on Public Information and Mass Media kay Senator Robin Padilla ang revised family code na kung saan sinasaad ng husband and wife are obligated to mutually respect each other. Ayan po si Attorney Lorna Kapunan. At panoorin po natin ang buong detalye dito sa Senate of Hearing. Alright, another further ado, let's do
sa amin pong palagay, itong aming pagdinig, kailangan, siyempre, may boses ang lahat. Pero doon po sa naganap na executive session, malinaw po, sa aming pagkakaintindi na ito po ay makakarating dapat sa dapat karatingan. Bibigay ko lang po uli kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Senator?
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Based on the discussions earlier during the executive session, and of course we cannot divulge first yet the the details of what transpired during the executive session. But what we all understand right now, and we agreed together with Senator Sevilla, Padilla, Po, Grace Po, and Senator Bato de la Rosa, there is a strong evidence against these two gentlemen. So we'll just hold it. We will just withhold all the information until all the pieces of evidence that are going to be gathered by the NBI are in. So, the committee has given them 2 days to receive all the pieces of evidence. So maybe we can schedule the next hearing on Thursday, together with all the parties concerned. Yes, Mr. Mulak.
Senator Jinggoy, I just want to, kasi napag-usapan na po namin na kanina kasi nakita ko yung this war na they would tell the truth and nothing but the truth. Para ako na-insulto na we need to now to nailabas na ebidensya ng text messages just to prove na hindi si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Kasi, talaga nga pinapalabas nila sa media. Si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Ngayon, nalabas na namin. Willing na kami.
What about the NBI?
Hindi, from my evidence,
If Attorney Conales, Laika ba?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Mapayag na si Mr. Mulak in behalf of his son to divulge all your pieces of evidence on hand.
No, not all, sir. Hanggang din sa text na kasi
Yes, so
I just want to prove them wrong na hindi si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Hindi sinungaling sila. So I think they should, di ba?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, if I may, the National Bureau of Investigation would maintain the confidentiality of all the pieces of evidence we have. However, Your Honor, we could not prevent the complainant or the subjects, on the other hand, to show it to the public if they may decide so, Your Honor.
So are you willing to divulge the text messages?
Insofar as we are concerned, Your Honor, we are bound by the Department Circular number 48 series of 1993.
But this is in aid of legislation. This it don't bar anything. In aid of legislation overrides sensitive matters in any case in another forum.
With all due respect, Your Honor, the NBI would like to maintain confidentiality of all evidence, Your Honor. However, should the complainant or the subjects, Your Honor, decide so to show it to the public, Your Honor, the NBI could not stop them so, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. You can proceed if you want to.
Your Honor, please. I just want to manifest, Your Honor, that during the executive session, Your Honor, there was no
Alright guys, ayan na, panoorin po natin yan. Alright, tungayan po natin ang kay Nino Mudak sa kanyang anak. Sinadya.
May I proceed, Your Honor, please? Mr. Chair, it was not denied that it was my client who first texted, Your Honor. It was not being denied. What was being denied, Your Honor, was with regard to the invitation. I think that was clear during the executive
Okay,
session.
let's just listen first to the
Please.
revelation of the statements of Mr. Mulak.
We submit to that, Mr. Chair. Your
Have you, did the COMSEC administer the oath?
That's it.
Mr. Mulak? You administered the oath?
Okay, Comsec, paki-administer ang oath ni Mr. Nino.
Will you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth to this committee?
Yes po.
The answer is in the affirmative, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
All right, well, make it brief, Mr. Mulak, because we still have a session.
I'm doing this just to kasi na-insulto talaga ako nung sinabi lang sa media na si Sandro yung una nag-text eh. That's why I'm doing this for my son. And for all the others na dumaan sa ganito sitwasyon na walang kakayahang lumaban. This was the first text. At 3:59 a.m. Hi Sandro, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na? That was from
That is 3:59 a.m.?
Yes po.
What day?
And then, sumagot si
Sa anong araw yun?
Ay, 20 po yung yung
August? July.
20 po yung gala. So this is 21 na
21 na.
araw. Opo.
Okay.
Sir Jojo, sorry po. Di po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now dito sa Marriott, sir.
Sino nag-text yan?
Po?
Sino nag-text yan?
Jojo.
Jojo.
Hindi. Yung text si Jojo, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na ba? Okay, sumagot si Sandro. Sir Jojo, sorry po. Hindi po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now sa Marriott, sir. Yun yung sagot ni Sandro. Opo. Hope to see you soonest, Sir Jojo. See you soonest.
Sino nagsabi
Sir
nun?
Jojo.
Sino
Ha?
nagsabi nun?
Si Sandro.
Sandro. Okay, sabihin mo lang. Kung Sandro.
Yes, every
Para klaro sa taas.
lagi magbabati si Jojo kay Sandro ng, hi Sandro, happy birthday, Merry Christmas. So matagal na silang
Okay, sige.
magka-text ng gano'n.
Proceed.
And then, nag-text ulit si Jojo.
What time?
Walang.
Basta magkakasunod ito na text.
Sige, okay.
Enjoy. Still partying. Sino kasama mo?
Text si Jojo.
Text si Jojo. Kumakain lang po right now. Kasama ko po friends ko. Sila Miss Nate and Elijah Alejo.
Si Sandro yan.
Si Sandro yung nag-text. So sabi ni Jojo, be safe. Okay? Tapos sumagot ulit si Sandro ng, thank you Sir Jojo. Hope to work with you. Hope to work with you again. See you soon po. Okay? Tapos, nag-text si Jojo. Nabitin ako sa inom. Ha 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 ha. Sabi ni Jojo. Tapos sumagot si Sandro ng, ako nga din po eh. Tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo. Yes, soon, cast kita. Yung reply niya was dun sa text ni Sandro na, thank you Sir Jojo, hope to work with you. See you soon po. So, minsan kasi may mga messages na mabasok late na eh. So, ito yung sagot naman ni nauna yung nabitin ako sa inom, kaya sa yes soon, ikakas kita, nagdidirect ako now. Sabi ni Jojo. Wow, sir. Looking forward to that too. Oh, tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo. Gusto mo ba? We have some alcohol here in the room. We can order some more. Saan po kayo, sir? Sabi ni Sandro. Belmont Hotel, katabi lang ng Marriott's. Sabi ni Sandro, sino-sino po kayo, sir? Ha, 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 ha. Just me. Sumagot si Jojo. Just me. And then, matagal na yun, hindi nag-reply si Sandro. Siyempre, yung bata, nakita niyang siya na mag-isa, hindi sumagot. Takot, di ba? Okay, so, after a while, siguro yung na-realize nila na hindi na sumasagot si Sandro, at 4:27 a.m., ha ha ha, sumagot na si Jojo after a while kasi hindi na nga nag-reply si Sandro. Ha ha ha, just kidding. Kasama ko the drama peeps. But we're wrapping up in a bit. Okay? Siyempre, kahit sinong artista na baguhan, given a chance na makasama mo yung drama peeps, you will take the chance. Dahil pagkakataon mo yung i-market yung sarili mo eh. Makasama sila, makaparty mo. Yeah.
Siguro sabi ni Sandro, this is my opportunity.
Yes.
My cast.
That's why. Kaya nga,
I would also do the same.
naintindihan ko naman siya doon sa point na yun. Pero, sabi ko, mali pa lang yung oras. That was yung kumbaga, sermon ko bilang magulang. Mali yung oras. Pero syempre, sabi
That was
ko, age
what time?
already.
That was
32
what
years
time?
old na siya, ha?
That was what time?
For 37.
In the morning.
Yes po. And then, sir, andyan ba kayo, sir? Kasi nga, I'm with the drama peeps eh, di ba? So sabi ni Sandro, andyan ba kayo, sir? Baka po pwede dumaan saglit. Ha, 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 ha. Kabababa ko lang po. Hindi. Sumagot mo na siya ng sure. May kasama ka?
Your Honor, please, we would like to, because we also have a copy of the,
Can you let Mr. Mulak finish first before you rebut or...
we submit to that, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Sure. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Kabababa ko lang po sa room ng friends ko. Ox. Sabi ni Jojo. And then, no po. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Ox. Belmont Hotel, 700B. Okay po, akit po ako. Yun po. Just proves na sila yung una nag-text. Sila, di ba?
But they admitted na kayo una nag-text, diba?
Yes, Your Honor, there was no denial that it was my client who first texted, Your Honor. There was no denial with respect to that, Your Honor. The only matter that my client was denying was, Your Honor, was with regard to the invitation. That is our allegation, Your Honor.
Eh, bakit tingin ba sa media na si Sandro yung una nag-text?
Your Honor, we have no, wala po kami pinapalabas po sa media na si Sandro ang unang nag-text, Your Honor. There was no like that. We just mentioned that there was a message like that, Your Honor.
But you did not mention the prior conversation, the prior text before you came out with that text.
Yes, Your Honor, because it
The
was an
media.
answer to a question by a media person.
Hindi, pinalalabas nyo kasi, base ron sa text na yun, na pinalalabas ninyo, na sige, pupunta muna ako dyan saglit.
Dumaan saglit.
Ayan, yun ang pinalalabas nyo sa media eh. So you're making it appear that it was Sandro who first texted Jojo.
It was not our intention, Your Honor. We just mentioned it
Ang hirap kasi,
as an existence. There's an existent text, Your Honor.
ang hirap kasi, you did not mention, paulit-ulit na lang ako kanina, you did not mention the previous text. That's why Sandro prompted to text you like that, to text him like that. Nadadaan ako dyan because Sandro, nung nag-text si Jojo na sinabi, I am with the drama peeps. So, komportable si Sandro na pumunta doon dahil maraming tao. Oh. Kasi nung sinabi ni Jojo doon sa text na ako lang, hindi nag-reply si Sandro eh. It took a while for him to reply because Jojo texted again, no, joke lang, I am with the drama peeps. That's why he was convinced and he went to the room of ano. That's why he texted that text na, sige, dadaan lang ako saglit. Ganun lang yun.
We submit, Your Honor, with respect to all the messages, Your Honor. It's just that we have to include, Your Honor, also the whole message, Your Honor, stating that after he messaged, kasama ko the drama peeps, but we're wrapping up in a bit, Your
Yeah,
Honor.
sinabi naman ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor. We just want to manifest that, Your Honor, and to put that on record.
It is up to the courts to appreciate
Submit to that, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
your pieces of evidence. We are not a court here. We are here to investigate in aid of legislation.
Yes, Your Honor. We submit, Your Honor.
What else do you want to say?
Then, Your Honor, since, Your Honor, there's already an investigation being conducted by,
Yeah, what this is a different investigation. I don't care about the investigation of NBI or DOJ. This is another investigation in aid of legislation. We can conduct an investigation anytime we want in aid of legislation.
we submit to that, Your Honor, but with respect to the text messages, we have no further,
We want to, because here we want to ferret out the truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth.
no further manifestation, Your Honor, with regard to the text message. Let be on record, Your Honor, what we have mentioned, Your Honor, as our counter allegation to that, Your Honor. That is only,
But you still, your two clients still deny that there was no drugs involved.
Your Honor, as of the moment, they're invoking the right for self-incrimination, Your Honor, because, Your Honor, whatever question that may be asked to them, Your Honor, would be incriminating to them, Your Honor. So they're invoking the right
Because
of
according to
self-incrimination.
Mr. Mulak, during the meeting held in Attorney Annette's house, tinanong ni Mr. Mulak yung dalawa, was there any drugs involved? Hindi sumagot.
Your Honor, I think,
And silence means yes.
Your Honor, during the executive session, which I don't want to divulge, Your Honor, since it's an executive session, it was already being answered by my client, Your Honor, that specific question. But since this is an
What was their
open,
answer?
during the executive session,
No.
they denied, Your Honor, during the executive session.
Yeah, of course.
But that is, Your Honor, I believe that during...
So they still deny that. Now I'm asking you,
Yes, Your Honor.
walang drugs involved or
Yes, Your Honor, they're denying that.
bakit ang tagal nila sumagot nung tinanong ni Mr. Mulak sa bahay ni Attorney Annette? 3 times daw.
As per my client, Your Honor, they're denying that matagal po silang sumagot. So at any rate, Your Honor, it's an allegation versus counter-allegation, Your Honor.
Okay, you let your client answer. You're
Sir,
only there
Your
to
Honor.
give legal advice.
Your Honor, nung tinanong na po kami point blank, hindi po kami, wala po kaming hesitation. Sinabi lang po namin na no,
Ba't nagtagal ka
wala
bago
po kaming
sumagot?
masamang ginawa sa anak
At
ko.
yung lawyer mo sinabi, they invoke the right to self-incrimination.
CDO Corner Norte, siguradong beefing-beefy. Bili na, mommy!
Alright guys, ayan, napakinggan at napanood po natin. At subaybayan po din natin ang ating reaction video guys. Alright?
Yes,
Hindi naman
kasi,
lagi yun ang gasgas na linya pag nabubuking.
hindi po, Your Honor. Wala pong nabubuking, wala po kaming inaaming allegations. We're denying all allegations. We're just, Your Honor, respectfully, we have constitutional rights too, and we just want our rights to be protected in this forum. There's a process that's ongoing. There's a case filed against us, and we would like to answer that in the proper forum, Your Honor. That's why we're invoking that, but not because we're guilty, because we maintain our innocence. We are not guilty. We have said this over and over. There was no hesitation when he asked us, and I said, no, wala kaming ginawa masama sa anak mo.
So, Jojo, Mr. Chairman, with your permission. So, Jojo, you're denying the sexual harassment allegation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung angle na yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Drugs.
Drugs.
Yes, Your Honor. No.
You still deny
Yes, Your Honor.
that there were drugs involved.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano yung diniktik mong powder substance?
Wala pong ganun, Your Honor.
Ako lumabas sa
So,
investigation yan.
Jojo, ibig mo sabihin nagsisinungaling si Sandro?
Well, I cannot speak po for Sandro Mulak,
Kasi-
Your Honor.
I saw him personally after 2 days. Is that correct? The next day. The guy is really shaking. Masyadong apektado siya. No? Talagang na-trauma yung bata eh. So kung yung bata ganun ng reaksyon, me personally, nakita ng dalawang mata ko, ikaw, kilala din kita, kasama ka namin sa project, but ang sa akin lang, siyempre doon lang tayo maninindigan sa tama eh, no? Dahil so unfair, and si Nino pa. You know Nino, di ba? Alam mo, hindi na usapin dito yung issue about you, issue about the Mulak, so Sandro. Ang issue dito ngayon, yung pangkalahatan, we want to avoid this, yung ganito mangyari muli. Ang daming lumalabas na nagpuputukan sa iba't ibang istasyon, ito mga naaabuso, ganito, ganyan. Yun ang iniiwasan natin. Kaya Mr. Chairman, no, anyway, siyempre, ang lalabas dito ngayon, he said that, ganito. So, leave it to the committee, kung ano man yung magiging decision nyo. But, sa tandaan ninyo, hindi kami na may personal dito. Yung sa atin lang, in aid of legislation, para ma-avoid natin at maiwasan na maulit yung mga ganyang pangyayari. Pero sa
Alright guys, ayan, napakinggan at napanood po natin. Dito ay sa anak ni Nino Mulak na nangyari dito kila Jojo. At maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakinig dito kay Rob Trip, and again sa ating reaction video. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.